Ministry of Local Government and Community Development is working to make our communities the heartbeat of national development. The changes proposed in this legislation are the best means of accommodating local government as an active, functional organ of development within the Constitution at this time. These companion bills, the Local Governance Bill, the Financing and Financial Management Bill, and the Unified Service and Employment Bill constitute the most comprehensive attempt to reform local government to date.
Read a third time and passed.
I seek the approval of this Honourable House for the postponement of local government elections.
A bill entitled An Act to Postpone the Holding of a General Election read a third time and passed.
At the end of this project, it is our expectation that more high-value development applications will be processed within a 90-day period or less.
Jamaica's ranking has significantly improved in the World Bank's Doing Business report. The area dealing with construction permits, we have moved from 52 in the 2014 report to 26. If we're in charge of having a power cut, we have a hurricane, whenever, even JPS is out, this one in the year.
Now we have 138 viable projects at the community level, creating employment of around 839 persons.
This is the Aedes aegypti mosquito.
Zika is new, so when it comes, there's nobody who is immune.
We have approximately $12.2 million in regard to drain cleaning that we are doing from the Municipal Council right across Portmore. And while we are doing drain cleaning, we are doing fogging.
Because we believe that the best way to drive down the incidence of fires generally, but bushfires particularly, is through education.
You are a welcome addition to the Jamaica Fire Brigade's current staff complement. Your certification is another indication of our ambition to provide the country with a first-rate fire service.
We have pulled firefighters from other parts of the country.
All indications are based on the reports from the police that it points to arson. Fire was extinguished in 12 days. I want to assure the public that clear steps are being taken to solve the problems.
We put a fire suppression system in place, and we only now have just about 3 of the 120 acres open at any time.
And the tipping cells have been re-established.
So the risk of fire, many major fires, is virtually eliminated.
The NSWMA will undertake a pilot in 6 communities across the corporate area and St. Catherine. Now we are taking really the new type of electronics.
Construction of this access road is a critical driver for expanding commercial activities.
Cabinet has approved a contract for the purchase of 17 Renault garbage compactor trucks for the National Solid Waste Management Authority.
We have also advertised our executive director position. I'm satisfied that over the past few months we've managed to put in place much greater controls over the assets and particularly the flow of cash within the organization.